Hello. Today let's talk about darts, baby. Whoa. Darts or dart throwing is a competitive sport in which two or more players bare-handedly throw small, sharp-pointed missiles, known as a dart, at a round target known as a dartboard. And the earliest darts were stabs to inside of an arrows or crossbow bolts. The first purpose-made darts were manufactured from solid wood, wrapped with a strip of lead for weight and fitted with flights made from split turkey feathers. These darts were mainly produced in France and became known as French darts. Metal barrels were patented in 1906, but would continue to be used into the 1950s. The first metal barrels were made from brass, which was relatively cheap and easy to work. The wooden shaft threaded to fit the tapped barrel were either fledged as before or designed to take a paper flight. This type of darts continued to be used in the 1970s. With the widespread use of plastic, the shaft and flight came to be manufactured separately. Although one-piece molded plastic shaft and flight darts were also available. Modern darts are made up of four components: the points, the barrels, the shaft, and the flights. The points come in two common lengths: 32 and 41 millimeter. These are 1.3 and 1.6 inches. And they are sometimes canaled or coated to improve player's grip. Others are designed to retract slightly on impact to lessen the chance of dart bouncing out. And the barrel come in a variety of weights and are usually constructed from brass, silver, nickel, or tungsten alloy. Brass is cheap but light, and therefore brass barrels tend to be very bulky. Tungsten, on the other hand, is twice as dense as brass. Though the tungsten barrel of equivalent weight could be 30% smaller in diameter than a brass one. Pure tungsten is very brittle. However, stone alloy is commonly used with between 80 and 95% tungsten and the remainder usually nickel, iron, or copper. Silver nickel darts often compressive between density and cost. Barrels come in three basic shapes: cylindrical, ton, or torpedo. Cylindrical barrels are the same diameter along their entire length and so tend to be long and thin. Their slenderness makes them better for grouping. But because they are long, the center of gravity is further back. Then we have the ton-shaped barrels, are thin at either end and bulk in the middle. This makes them fatter than a cylindrical barrel of equivalent weight, but the center of gravity is further forward and theoretically easier to throw. And we have the torpedo-shaped barrels, are widest at the point and they taper toward the rear. This shape keeps the bulk of the weight as far forward as possible, but like the ton, gives it a larger diameter than the cylinder. The shafts are manufactured in various lengths, and some are designed to be cut to lengths. Shafts are generally made from plastics, nylon polymer, or metals such as aluminum and titanium, and can be rigged or flexible. Longer shafts provide greater stability and allows a reduction in flight size, which in turn can lead to closer grouping. But there are also shafts the wide toward the rear, causing the dart to tilt backwards during flight, requires a harder, faster throw. The flight stabilization dart by producing drag, thus preventing the rear of the dart from overtaking the point. Modern flights are generally made of plastic, nylon, or foil, and are available in a range of shapes and sizes. The three most common shapes in order of size are the standard, the kite, and the smaller pear shape. The less surface area, the less stability, but larger flight hamper closer grouping. Some manufacturers have thought that the source is by making a flight long and thin, but this, in turn, creates other problems such as changing the dart's center of gravity. Generally speaking, a heavier dart will require a larger flight. And the choice of the barrel, shaft, and flight will depend a great deal on the individual player's throwing style. For a competitive purpose, a dart cannot weigh more than 50 grams, including the shaft and the flight, and cannot exceed a total length of 300 millimeters. So you see, it's easy to use the darts, of course, but there are a lot of different styles on the market, and you can choose what you need for your personal darts. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.